Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Bhumi Patel, today super excited to teach you Math Magic chapter number 1 Where to Look From. Children, I had sent you introduction video. Hope you all have watched it properly and understand which concepts we will be learning in this lesson. So, open your maths textbook and hold a pencil in your hand so that you can do the activities in the textbook. So, let's start. Chapter 1 Where to Look From. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Teacher has given one task that you have to draw the picture of a car. Next day, when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Just you can see the two pictures of Dheeraj and Anshul. Teacher has given one task to draw a car picture, but Anshul and Dheeraj has drawn a different view of a car. Dheeraj has drawn the car which is look like a small box is lying on a bigger one. So Anshul said it looks like a small box kept in a bigger one. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Can you tell me, Dheeraj has drawn which view? Dheeraj has drawn a top view of the car and Anshul has drawn the side view of the car. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawing looks different. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Yes, his funny drawing is right. Completely right, because the view is different, but the car is the same. The picture is the same. Right? Have you looked at things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? Have you looked any of the things which is look like something different on a different side when we see? Does it look different? Of course it looks different. Look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? You can see here the picture of a same table, but you can see that the sides, if you can see the table, you can see the 4 legs, and if you can see the top, you can see the rectangle. Now, some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. You can see that the cooker, if you look at the top, it will just look like here, this. If you look at the sleepers, it will be look different. So you can see at any point of it, any other sides of the, you can see the cooker, it will look like different. You can see the slippers also, you can see the fruits also, star fruit, you can see the cupboards also, which will be related to something different. Okay. So side view is different and top view is different. You can see that the relation. So this will be like this if you see the pictures from a different view. Now, practice time. A cat is peeping into the classroom. You can see that the cat. Yes or no, children? Can you help her find out where the teacher is? The cat is here. See that? And the teacher is here. I have rounded out. Here are some pictures. Second activity, B exercise. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Now you can see that the different views of a object, the same object, it will look different. Like staircase, you can see that here it is which side? Side view. Here it is front view. Same staircase. Here it is table is of top view. Chair is of side view. You can see the pencil which is a top view. If you can look at the top, the pencil just look like this. The bus is of side view. Understand, children, how the picture looks different on a different side view. Now draw top views of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. I have drawn here 3 pictures of bed, round table and a box. I have drawn the top view. Just ask your friend how it looks, what identify the object, and don't write the name. They can confuse me with this. Now next page, page number 3, Rangoli. Have you ever made a Rangoli? My friend Minakshi makes beautiful floor patterns. I am Minakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make Rangoli every morning. They are made by using dots. In Tamil Nadu, Rangolis will be made from the dots, and every morning they will be preparing the Rangoli or making the Rangoli out of their house. You want to try it? In the same page it was given. You can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. 2 examples have been drawn here. You can draw the same one or you can draw some different. Like I have drawn here some 3 different figures here. You can also draw it. Like this you can draw 2 different patterns. It's up to you. Whatever design you like to draw, you can draw it. It's your choice. I just have given the example here. Okay, I have drawn here 3 pictures. I have given this example to you. Now you can see that what you can see here, we have to draw. Make other patterns yourself. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. You can draw the same. You have to copy with this. So you can see that the same patterns I have drawn here. You also, children, have to draw the same way in your textbook. Understand? You can able to draw it. See here, very easily you can draw it. So this way you can also learn how to draw the Rangoli using the dots. Understand? Now next, use the dot grid given below to draw your own design and shapes. I have drawn here 3 to 4 design. I have drawn here flag, flower, diya and some square type of design. It's completely your choice. I just have given this example. You can see, draw the triangle also. You can draw the circle also. Like this flower also. It's completely your choice. Now next is complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. Half a figure is given. You just have to complete the figure to make it properly. I hope you can able to do this in your textbook. Now turn the page. On the dot grid given below, draw the following: a kite, a leaf, a flower, a boat, a star, a pot. You can see that my kite is completely out of the grid, but try to make it a smaller one so that it will be go inside it properly. Yes, it will touch all the dots of a grid. The leaf you can draw, The boat you can able to draw it, a star. See the flower also I can make it here. A boat is very easy for you to draw just by joining the dots, and you can able to draw a boat also. So this way you can able to draw. A pot also you can able to draw. Clear? I think star is much more easier to draw. Right, children? So children, in this video this much is enough. Page numbers till 6 we have completed. Thank you.